ki samla Ri Bhoi District hadin bagla pendep ya jing jinghikai kabede bagakam tourism guide balapnya daga group hanglang tourism promotion society kabala penlong ha vocational training center jongga office Ri Bhoi sepni perbestarian haknya trelang baga Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management Shillong haga khalai trek leber arajar punreula sami gisnot syagi samla kibla pendep ya gane jinghikai kinoyalam jongga society kinyalam ya kini samla syamoplang kabdei galau kentang bakin sotu ya kam kabakla syaikai ya kesenat lasam do deputy commissioner Ri Bhoi District Abilais Baranwal hak jadalang uba ban shanlang nongkenri ubadei tourism officer katnat Ri Bhoi District ledan lang hak ni singi kilong Dr. Sabrina Lengdo kabadei ka coordinator IITM Kam Shillong nangta uba Daminot Seliang ubadei president jangga group hanlang tourism promotion society secretary ba Iban Suklang nongrum bat kiwe ke rorang ba ledan lang hak ni singi.
From the government side, we often see that we want to promote tourism in areas, but then we do not really find that reciprocation from the community at times. However, things become much easier when actually the initiative is driven from the community side, and all that we have to do from the government is to reciprocate them or is to help them in the initiative that they want to take. So in this case, we have been extremely lucky that we have a very active society over here who actually wants to invite tourists, wants to drive tourism in the area, and simultaneously drive livelihood and economy through the incoming tourists. I was just discussing with Dr. Sabrina over here that she was telling me that Ri Bhoi is the gateway to rest of Meghalaya, but hardly probably 5% of the tourists or 10% of the tourists would be staying back in Ri Bhoi. So that's something that should change and that can change, but it will require active cooperation of the community. But most importantly, it will require that we have an able army, a competent army of tour guides, of people who can cater to these tourists while earning a livelihood for themselves as well as for their families. So in this case, I thank IITM for taking up this training program, for extending this help, through you, I hope that they have gathered sufficient skills which at least will provide them a good start when it comes to assisting the tourists in earning a livelihood for themselves through tourism and becoming a role model for the rest of the society. So when we were deciding to fund it, it has been funded entirely by DTPS, which is District Tourism Promotion Society. District Tourism Promotion Society is to promote tourism in Ri Bhoi. Why did we agree to fund this soft skill program? Is with the expectation that when the tourists come, as tour guide or as facilitators of the tourists, you will make sure that they have a good enough time that they want to return to Ri Bhoi. And the next time when they return, they should bring their families also, they should bring their friends also. Then only this training is justified. Then only the tourism in the area will grow. Because Sohra everyone knows, Amlarem everyone knows, Molinong everyone knows. Nobody knows Umtakam, nobody knows the area where we are through the society trying to drive tourism. It will only happen through marketing, which we will anyway do, but also through word of mouth. Word of mouth is that when people will come, experience, they'll go back and they'll tell their friends and family. Now whether that happens or not will only depend on you. You have your tourism officer here, you have Dr. Sabrina over here who has taught you very well. The one thing that I find to be missing here in Meghalaya as compared to rest of the tourist destinations which they can tell you about is that openness to the tourist, that feeling of warmth, that he has come, I'm here to serve him. That warmth needs to be there. If you go to any other country, if you go to any other tourist destination, you'll find that those who are dependent on the tourists for their livelihood, they have a very, very open and warm reception towards them. That is what is going to count, that is what is going to matter when people are going to come to Meghalaya. And if you want the tourism to drive and the and it's in your interest as well, more the number of tourists, you will be able to earn a better livelihood also. So your income is going to increase only if the number of tourists are going to increase. And that will only happen if they have a good enough experience that will encourage them to come again and come again with large number of friends and families. So please make sure that whatever learnings you have got within these 4 days, right? So 4 days, please make sure that you make good use of that. And I'll request my tourism officer, Baban, to ensure that the marketing, etc., that we wanted to do about this place, we should start immediately so that whatever skills they have learned before they start forgetting, they also see some tools.